What up? We're at Sunshine State MX right now. Track is beat in and there's only a couple guys out there. So I'm gonna hook up with a GoPro and take you guys around for a lap so that you see what it looks like. Play. as this one winds down, this was Sunshine State MX again. This was our first time out there. It sounds like this track is relatively newer and or new owners. We actually were able to meet the guy that owns it and runs it right now, and he was awesome. Super nice guy. Everybody was super friendly. He was inviting us back as he was making changes. This was right before he had taken ownership of a new dozer, so track was a little bit dry and a little bit rough, but there was only a couple of us out there riding. And overall it was sweet. As you can see, the dirt's really nice, the ruts hold up real good, the faces were all really nice. It got rough in some spots, but for the most part, it stayed, pretty good and made for a really fun time. So if you ever get the chance and you're in North Florida, make it out to Sunshine State. Those guys know what they're doing, and this track I definitely has a lot of potential here with this new owner. Um, and I'm next time I go down there, I will definitely be making my way back. So if you guys are in the area, check out Sunshine State MX. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you later.